Good morning, students. Students of class 10, welcome to your English grammar class. In the last class, we have discussed some portion of subject verb agreement. Students, we have continued to this extent. Phrases beginning with a congregation of, a crowd of, a flock of, a group of, a head of, and a regiment of usually take singular verb in spite of the fact that the noun after of is plural. That means what I gave you the instances. If plural subject is there after of, it take singular verb. Example, I have already told you. A crowd of people was shouting slogans. A head of elephants was seen in the jungle. A group of smugglers was arrested yesterday. We have already discussed these things. Students, let us come to your next rule. Students, you know, a number of followed by a plural noun take a plural verb, but the number of in a similar situation takes singular verb as the real subject is the number. Students, I want to clarify you with the help of this thing with an example. You see, a number of children are suffering from colds. Students, here your real subject is children. That's why here children is a plural. That's why it will take plural verb as it is given children are. You see, next example. The number of sick people, sick children, like that is increasing. You see, here you see the number is increasing. Students, do you follow me? The number is increasing. Next we can say the number of sick children is increasing, means here the real subject is the number is increasing. That's why it is a plural and it will take plural verb. That's why is used here. Next, students, statistics, mathematics, physics, economics, news, measles, mobs, advice, information, jewelry, scenery, etc. are all uncountable nouns. So they will take singular verb. Students, we know all uncountable nouns are used as singular. That's why they are your uncountable nouns. So they will take singular verb. Example, physics is my favorite subject. Measles is an infectious disease. The news was bad. No information is available. Students, I will give you an activity based on these rules what I have discussed, and that is your activity 2 in the textbook. Next, come to next rule. If the subject of a sentence is a clause, the verb is singular. Example, that means you see, if the subject of a sentence is a clause, it will take singular verb. You see that she is alive is a good news. Students, you see here are two clauses. She is alive and is, that is good news, also a clause. That is good news, a clause. That she is alive, that she is alive is good news. That she is alive is a clause. That's why is used as singular verb. What he does these days, what he does these days does not concern me. Students, what he does these days is a clause, and that's why this, for this clause your singular verb does not concern me. Okay, next, if two words are linked in the subject with the help of connectives like we, with, as well as, in addition to, together with, etc., the verb agrees with the first word. Students, you follow this example. What I am going to tell you. The teacher with all her students has come. Means, you see, the teacher has come with all her students. So here the verb is used or meant for the teacher. Similarly, Robbie as well as his friends is responsible for the loss. You see, Robbie is responsible for the loss as well as his friends. Students, this verb will take as per the subject, that is Robbie. Similarly, population growth in addition to many other problems has badly affected India's growth. Here the verb will take as per population. Students, this much today. Thank you.